Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Malunggay with fish using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh Malunggay leaves, a 1-pound white fish fillet, and some basic aromatics like garlic, ginger, and onion. This combination creates a healthy and flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. We'll focus on fresh ingredients for the best taste. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by sautéing your minced garlic, sliced ginger, and chopped onion in a pan until they become fragrant. Next, gently add your 1-pound fish fillet to the pan, cooking it until it's lightly browned on both sides. Then, pour in about 2 cups of water or fish broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. This step builds the base flavor for our delicious soup. Once the fish is simmering, it's time to add the star ingredient, the Malunggay leaves. Gently stir in your 2 cups of fresh Malunggay, allowing them to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. You want them tender but still vibrant green. Finally, season your dish to taste with salt, black pepper, and a dash of fish sauce for an authentic flavor. This quick cooking preserves the nutrients. Your delicious and healthy Malunggay with fish is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a side of steamed rice, for a truly satisfying meal. A sprinkle of fresh green onions makes a lovely garnish. This easy recipe is packed with nutrients and flavor, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products we recommend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.